The award comes with a tiara.
What can I say?
Oh, I'm sure you can say plenty.
So many stories. So little time.
So little time. What happened, Bruce? Your dog have kittens? Alright, I'll fight.
He said, I have an emergency. Something wrong with the dog. I gotta do take it. Sure. Go ahead, you have an emergency, go home. Hours go by. I'm dying. What am I going to tell the chief? He never came back. Finally, he comes back. Where did you go? Forget it. That emergency. Where did you go? Stanford. You never told me Stanford. It was a pleasure to work with. Very interesting, made every day.
He's splitting his pension with 5 lives. He's down to $17. I don't know about doing foreign countries. The 17 bucks might be going overseas.
Okinawa.
They did a CAT scan. They did a CAT scan of Bruce Bento and Joe Malizia. They said Joe Malizia's interior looked like a Cadillac showroom. Bruce Bento's looked like LaJoyce. I'm sorry, Bruce.
Yeah, I said I wouldn't talk long. Like,
Oh, I'm sorry.
Like he said to his last wife, but I won't keep it long.
I figured out why his wives keep leaving him. They weren't lesbians. Because being married to Bruce is like being married to a woman. Bruce, I'm sorry. Go ahead, Chief.
Bruce got on the job June 9th, 1988.
Can I interject?
Absolutely. That's what we're here for.
I drove him to our training facility. He drove back in the ambulance.
The day to hire.
In June of 1988.
Excuse me, I'd like to correct that. I had to go to Bridgeport Hospital and pick him up from the hospital.
How's the first day?
Well, he invited Howie went to one of his weddings, and Howie didn't respond right away, so Bruce said, well, aren't you coming to Bruce? Howie says, no, I'm sorry, I'll be at the next one.
Fred Greenfield finally threw out his file for workman's comp. The shredder truck had to pull up. I'm sorry, Chief. Go ahead.
I'm sorry.
Bruce, I'm sorry.
They called 34s, not 17.
Double down.
Started off with 34.
Anyhow, Bruce got on June 9th, 1988, and he retired September 30th.
He worked 16 days. I'm sorry. Chief, go ahead. I don't mean to interrupt. He started out with 4. He went to 1, 2, and 3. Nobody wanted him. Every station twice.
Can I interject again? Every time I got transferred, Bruce was right there with me.
There you go.
Where's Bureau when you need him?
And he retired June 30th, 2013 this year, September 30th, 2013, with 25 years of service.
Brian.
You gotta say
Brian.
No, go ahead. Bento should
Bento. Right.
Well, it was a good 25 years. I want to thank everybody for coming. And I was hoping to do a little bit longer, but unfortunately, it was cut short. Fred Green retired. I'm going to miss everybody. I'm going to miss the job. A lot of friends here. And it's the joking and the camaraderie like this that really makes the job worthwhile. And I just want to thank everybody for coming. Thank you.